Hey everybody, it's Ann with What's Up Homestead, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to make some hamburger steaks. Hopefully I can talk louder than the dishwasher. So I have some hamburgers that I patted out from yesterday, which was Memorial Day. So I'm going to use them and make hamburger steak today since I don't want another hamburger. So I patted them out and I put salt and pepper on them, and I'm going to put some onion powder and garlic powder. And I've got my cast iron skillet getting hot, and I'm going to put these in the frying pan, and I'm going to cut some onions and peppers, and then I'll put it all together and I'll come back and show you. I've also got some potatoes in the pressure cooker, and I'm going to have mashed potatoes, and I'm going to make a gravy to go with it. And I did also put some Lowry seasoned salt on these also. So waiting for the pan to heat up, and I'm going to cut up an onion and a pepper. Okay, I fried my hamburger patties. Didn't cook them all the way. And I took them out and I put peppers and onions in there. The peppers are pretty big, but I want really the flavor. I don't really want to eat the peppers. So I'm just going to cook them, and when they get most of the way done, I'm going to add some flour and make some gravy with it. Okay, the onions are done, so I'm going to put some flour in here. Probably just a couple tablespoons. And stir it around and just see how it looks. Probably going to have to add more. You don't want it to have like the grease in it. You want it to be thick. So now I've used that spoon. I got to get another spoon out. Might take two more. These are heaping tablespoons, so we'll just play it by ear. Stir it around. You don't want to get too much. You want the flour to basically absorb all the oil in there. Probably going to take maybe not quite a heaping spoonful, but let's see. I think that might be good. A little bit more. Still, I see a little bit of oil in there. So it's basically about 4 tablespoons. Four heaping tablespoons. So this looks like about right. Kind of look more like stewed apples than it does onions. But it smells so good. Okay, I'm going to let that flour cook off, and then I'm going to get my beef broth. Okay, it looks like it's cooked enough. I'm going to add this whole can of beef broth. And I'm just going to let that get thick. And combine with the flour, and it's already making a gravy. So I'm probably going to add a little bit of water. So let me get my cup with some water in it. It's already thickened up, so I'm just going to add more water till I get it to the consistency I want. I don't want it really thick, but I don't want it really thin either. You could also add milk if you wanted like a cream gravy, but I don't. I just want just a regular beef gravy. Okay, so I'm going to take the burgers, and I'm just going to nestle them in here. just going to cover them up with some gravy. And I'm going to just let them cook. And till they finish cooking. And I'm going to start on my potatoes and get those done while they sit here. So I'll be back when I get those mashed potatoes done. Okay, this is the finished product. It is done and ready to eat. So I hope you try it, and I hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next video.